Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting announcement. Why is my table empty, you ask? That is because, let me throw it up there on the screen, I am announcing my diamond painting event, hashtag DP for Pets 2023, that I am hosting starting June 1st. So, what are the rules, you ask? Well, the rules are, as you can see on the screen, the event will run from June 1st through June 30th. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. I am going to have entry and exit forms that you will need to fill out. Your kit needs to be a new start, at least 30 by 30, follow the pets theme, and be finished by June 30th. So back to here, what am I going to be showing you? I'm going to be showing you all of the fun things that you can win. So some of these are things that I have created, some of these are things that I have purchased, and this is what is going in the final prize package. So I have some very fun release paper stickers that I have created. I have a vinyl decal, or a decal if you're in Canada, that says I'd rather be diamond painting. I have a very fancy certified glow-in-the-dark pen with the tips that come with it. I have a diamond painting tray with a lid. It is a right-hand pour, so just FYI for those of you who are worried about that or want to know. Another vinyl diamond decal that my lovely husband created. We've got some very pretty washi tape that will be included. I've got lots of fun little stickers that some that I've made, some that I've purchased. Drillin' and Chillin', Professional Diamond Painter, Diamond Painting and Coffee, just some fun ones. And this is one of my favorites. It's okay if all you did today was diamond paint, because I have days like that. I've got some heart-shaped wax that I'm going to include, a pretty placer that will be included, a cover minder that I made, and then I've got some AB drills that I'll be including, some square crystals, some purple, and some white. These are all, like I said, ABs. Trying to make this pretty here as I lay everything out. And I've got some printed geometric release papers to include. And is that everything? No, it is not. What is the big question that everyone's going to be asking? And that is, what kit is going to be in the final prize package? And this is, ta-da! It is called Craft Room Chaos from Oraloa. It is big, ladies and gents. It is 98 by 70 centimeters. It is a square diamond kit. So if you've never had a square diamond kit before and you've always wanted to do one, or if you love squares, I love this kit. It's very cute, but I'm just never going to get to it. It is a craft room with all of these bright colors and all of these cute little pets, cats and puppies and kittens causing chaos in the room. So there you go. That is the final prize package. So if you win the Big Daddy prize package, this is it. All of these things will be coming to you. I may be adding things to the prize package as we go. We'll see. I think it's pretty complete for now. Now that I've shown you what you can win, let's go back over what do you need to do. The event is going to run June 1st through the 30th, like I said. I will have an entry form, and I will stick a link to the entry form down below. I know lots of you like to get all of that stuff filled out beforehand. The event doesn't start until June 1st, so if you're not ready, don't panic. You have plenty of time. I just wanted to get this event announcement out there so that people knew this event was going to be going on and could start making plans. I will also have an exit form, so you have until June 30th at midnight, Central Daylight Time, to fill out the exit form, which will open on June 15th. I will do another video and I will post the exit form so that you can post your finished pictures. You do have to finish. And again, the rules for your kit, it has to be a new start. It needs to be at least 30 by 30. It needs to follow the pets theme and be finished by June 30th. And you have to have filled out the entry and exit forms in order to be eligible for the final prize package. I think that's most of it. Now, when I do the official announcement on June 1st, when the event officially opens, I will be doing a video here on the channel, and I will post all of the official rules beneath that so that you know what you need to do. But like I said, I am going to go ahead and post the entry form below so that you can at least get that ready to go and filled out if you're one of those people who likes to work ahead. As part of DP for Pets, I'm going to be doing weekly giveaways as well. However, what I've decided to do is a little bit well, I'm just going to do something fun for myself. Everybody who watches the channel knows how much I love Muka and all of his art. And there, as far as I know, is going to be Summer with the Masters again this year in July and August. And I know that there are sometimes people who want to participate in events, but for whatever reason don't have a kit. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving away some Muka kits as part of my weekly giveaways for DP for Pets, which may seem kind of strange, but it's two things that I love, pets and Muka, and so I'm going to combine them because it's my channel and why not. So for weekly giveaways, which you will be entered in the weekly giveaways if you fill out the entry form, and as I go through, I will pull from people who have entered into the DP for Pets event for those weekly drawings, and I will announce those on the channel during my regular Sunday whip-in chats. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you know when those are posted. Every Sunday I do a whip-in chat, and I'm going to be giving away one Muka kit. Now, these are budget kits. They are not premium kits like I have here, but they are still Muka. They are still valid for the event. They are kind of large, and as I do the giveaways each week, I'll give more particulars about what is in the drawing for that week. So yeah, make sure that you have hit all the things so that you know what's going on, so that you can find out the exit or the entry form for this so that you can be signed up for the final prize package and then also get entered into all the weekly drawings. Same as last year, if you win a weekly drawing, you are still eligible for the final prize package. Winning a weekly drawing does not mean that you can't win the final prize package, so just be aware of that. I do allow partials. If you want to do a partial, that is perfectly fine with me. You do, however, again, need to fill out the exit form, which will open on June 15th, and post a picture of your finished canvas. Now, at the end of the event, I usually do a little kind of montage video to show what everyone has done. So also in the exit form, there will be a place for you to provide your picture, and then I will always ask if you are okay with me using your picture and or your name, and then you can fill it out. If you are okay with the picture but not the name, or you're okay with both or neither, all of those are options. You just need to fill it out when you get to the exit form. I'm super excited about this event. It went really well last year, so I hope you guys are excited too. I hope this announcement comes out in enough time to let everybody kind of figure out what they're going to be doing. As part of DP for Pets, one of the things that I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be making a donation to my local Humane Society. I did that last year, and although it is not required for participation in the event, if you are so inclined and you have the funds and would like to donate to your local Humane Society, that would be amazing. Part of what I wanted to do with these two events was to help out communities that are very near and dear to my heart, and pets are one, and then also veterans are another. I will also be doing a repeat of my DP for Vets event, and that is a Veteran / Memorial Day / Remembrance Day event in November of this year. I'm not sure if I'm going to be still here in the States or if we're going to be in Canada, but either way, I'm still planning on doing it. I should still be in the States for DP for Pets. I don't think we're planning on moving quite that soon, but we'll see. So that's my announcement, guys. Here is all the things that you could possibly win if you are interested in participating. If you have a kit that you think will work for DP for Pets that you are also doing for another event and you want them to do double duty, you absolutely may do that. I do not have a problem with that. If you can make a kit do double duty, again, that is perfectly fine with me. I'm trying to think if I have any other questions that popped up routinely last year. I think that's most of them. Oh, one big one that I forgot. This is open to everyone, US and international. Both the weekly giveaways and the final prize package giveaways are all open to people in the US and international. So hop down below, hit that link so that you can fill out the entry form. And then, like I said, on June 15th, the exit form will be open. And don't forget to check out my Facebook group and Facebook page. I will be posting in both of those places about the event. In the group, I hopefully will be posting a lot about what I'm doing, as well as encouraging all of you to post about what you're doing during the event. If I forgot anything, please feel free to leave me a comment down below and ask any questions. Like I said, I wanted to just get this video out there so everybody knew that yes, I am for sure doing this event this year, and let you guys know what the fun prize package is. You will soon be seeing me open whatever kits, hopefully more than one, that I'm going to be working on for the event, and I'm super excited to show you those as well. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.